Hello everyone. Welcome to our daily English practice channel. Do you understand English but still feel nervous when you try to speak? Do you know many English words but you cannot make sentences quickly? Do you think too much before speaking English? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Many English learners have the same problem. And today, we are going to practice English together. For the next 1 hour, just listen carefully and try to understand every sentence. You don't need to speak perfectly. You don't need to know every word. Just listen, repeat, and practice. By the end of this video, you will learn many useful English sentences and ideas that you can use in your daily life. So, take a deep breath. Forget your fear. And let's start learning English. Learning English is not difficult if you practice it every day. The most important thing is consistency. You don't have to study English for 5 hours every day. Even 30 minutes of daily practice can make a big difference. The important thing is to practice regularly. When you learn a new language, you need time. You need to listen. You need to read. You need to speak. And you need to make mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Nobody becomes fluent in one day. Nobody learns everything in 1 week. English is a skill, and like every other skill, it becomes better with practice. Think about a child learning to speak. A child does not learn grammar first. The child listens to people. The child repeats words. The child makes mistakes. And slowly, the child starts speaking. You can learn English in the same way. Listen to English every day. Listen to simple conversations. Listen to short stories. Listen to English videos. Listen to English speeches. At first, you may understand only a few words. That's okay. Keep listening. Your brain needs time to become familiar with the language. After some time, you will start recognizing common words. Then you will understand short sentences. After that, you will understand conversations. And slowly, speaking will become easier. One of the biggest problems for English learners is fear. Many people are afraid of making mistakes. They think, what will people say? What if I speak incorrectly? What if someone laughs at me? But remember this. If you are learning, mistakes are expected. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be confident enough to try. Imagine that you are learning to ride a bicycle. Would you expect yourself to ride perfectly on the first day? Of course not. You may fall. You may lose your balance. But you try again. After some practice, you can ride the bicycle without thinking too much. Speaking English works in the same way. At first, you may stop between sentences. You may forget words. You may use the wrong grammar. But if you keep speaking, you will improve. So, don't wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking now. Use simple sentences. For example, I am learning English. I practice every day. I want to speak English confidently. I am not afraid of mistakes. I will keep improving. These sentences are simple. But simple sentences are powerful. You don't need complicated English to communicate. You need clear English. You need useful English. And you need confidence. Another important habit is thinking in English. Many learners first think in their native language. Then they translate the sentence into English. This takes time. For example, you may think about a sentence in Hindi first. Then you translate it. Then you check the grammar. Then you try to speak. By that time, the conversation may already be over. So, try to think in English. Start with very small thoughts. When you wake up, think, I am awake. I need to get up. I need to brush my teeth. I am feeling tired. I am going to have breakfast. When you are getting ready, think, I need to get dressed. Where are my shoes? I need to leave soon. These small thoughts can train your brain. You don't need to think about difficult topics. Start with your daily life. Talk to yourself in English. You can practice while walking. You can practice while cooking. You can practice while getting ready. You can even practice in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and speak. Say, hello, my name is Isha. Today I am going to practice English. I want to become a confident English speaker. I know I will make mistakes. But I will continue practicing. This kind of practice may feel strange in the beginning, but it is very useful. The mirror gives you a chance to practice without pressure. You don't have to worry about anyone judging you. You can speak slowly. You can repeat the same sentence. And you can correct yourself. Another powerful technique is repetition. When you learn a useful sentence, don't say it only once. Say it several times. For example, I'm looking forward to meeting you. Say it again. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Again. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Now try to use it in a different situation. I am looking forward to meeting my friend. I am looking forward to the weekend. I am looking forward to my new job. This is how vocabulary becomes active. Knowing a word is not enough. You need to use it. For example, you may know the word improve, but you should learn how to use it. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my speaking skills. I am improving every day. Practice helps me improve. When you learn one word, learn several sentences with that word. This will help you remember it. Now let's talk about vocabulary. Many learners try to memorize hundreds of words, but they forget most of them after a few days. Instead of learning too many words, learn useful words. Learn words that you can use in your daily life. Words like important, comfortable, interesting, different, possible, difficult, simple, confident, successful, careful, ready, busy, free, excited, tired, worried, happy, angry, proud. Then make sentences. This is important. I feel comfortable here. This book is interesting. Everyone is different. Anything is possible. This question is difficult. English can be simple. I want to become confident. I want to be successful. I need to be careful. I am ready. I am busy today. I am free tomorrow. I am excited about the future. I am tired today. Don't be worried. I am happy. I am angry. I am proud of myself. The more you use these words, the easier they become. Now let's talk about listening. Listening is one of the most important parts of learning English. If you want to speak English naturally, you need to listen to English regularly. Don't listen only to understand every word. Listen to understand the meaning. At first, choose easy English. Don't start with very difficult movies or complicated news. Start with simple conversations. Listen to the same conversation more than once. The first time, just listen. The second time, try to understand. The third time, repeat the sentences. This is called active listening. It can improve your pronunciation, vocabulary, and speaking speed. You can also use shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and speaking at almost the same time. For example, listen. I want to improve my English. Then repeat. I want to improve my English. Listen again. I want to improve my English. And repeat again. This practice helps you copy the rhythm and pronunciation of natural English. Don't worry if you cannot do it perfectly at first. Start slowly. Speed will come later. Your first goal should be clarity. Speak clearly. Speak naturally. Don't try to speak too fast. Fast English is not always good English. Clear English is better than fast English. Take your time. Pause when necessary. Breathe. And continue. Now let's talk about grammar. Grammar is important. But don't let grammar stop you from speaking. Many learners know grammar rules but cannot speak. Why? Because they spend too much time thinking about rules. When you speak, you need to communicate your idea. You can improve grammar through practice. For example, learn common sentence patterns. I want to. I need to. I have to. I would like to. I am going to. I used to. I have been. These patterns are extremely useful. For example, I want to learn English. I want to improve my pronunciation. I need to practice. I need to speak more. I have to go now. I would like to learn more. I am going to practice tonight. I used to be afraid of speaking English. I have been learning English for a long time. Learn these patterns. Then create your own sentences. This is much more useful than simply memorizing grammar rules. Remember one important thing. Your goal is communication. Your goal is confidence. Your goal is improvement. Don't compare yourself with native speakers. Compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. If you know 10 more words today, that's progress. If you can speak 1 minute longer today, that's progress. If you understand a sentence that you could not understand yesterday, that's progress. Every small improvement matters. So, be patient. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep reading. Keep speaking. And keep believing in yourself. English is not something you learn once. It is something you practice. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. So start today. Speak English for 5 minutes. Tomorrow, speak for 10 minutes. Then 15 minutes. Then 20 minutes. Slowly, your confidence will grow. And one day, you will realize that English is no longer something you are afraid of. It has become a part of your daily life. Keep going. Keep learning. Keep practicing. And never give up. Your English can improve. Your confidence can improve. Your communication can improve. All you need is practice. Start with one sentence. Then another sentence. And then another. One day, those sentences will become conversations. Those conversations will become confidence. And that confidence will help you achieve your goals. So, believe in yourself. You can learn English. You can speak English. You can become confident. And you can do it. Keep practicing every day. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next English practice video.